Hey guys, I'm gonna show you an updated video. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. So, my new card's still here. My new card's still full. But there's a Safari LCD, but I still love them to pieces. All these switches I've had, but they're used for models. I need holder things. So, hold on. Alright, so you can be a halter with a lead rope, but I made this one with a clip here and a chain here, and bear with me. Ta-da! It's a bridle. It's a 2-in-1 thing. And yeah, I made this one for Congo, and I think it's gonna fit her Ruby. And I don't have a name for the foal yet, so if anybody would like to comment on that, leave a name, that would be great. So yeah, I'm just gonna show you all the halters in it. Hold on. Let me set my math book up like that. There. You can see. Sorry, there's a glare. But the blinds are open. Get on. Good. Alright, so it's on. So I made, these are just halters. We have a chain and a lead rope and a halter, of course. And yeah, they're really cool. I made a halter for her, a purple halter, and this is the second halter that I've ever made. Well, this is one of the second ones. Just gonna slip it on. Again, it's the same chain, lead rope, and halter. But yeah, those are my updates, and yeah, that's basically it. I'm doing yet another updated barn tour in a second, so please watch all of my videos on my channel. Bye!